This is Money and Public Finance, Program BCom, Subject Economics, Semester 2nd, University Mangalore, Session 16. Measurement of value of money. Under that, we have to see index number, its meaning, types, and uses. Changes in the value of money are reflected by the changes in the general price level over a period of time. Changes in the general price level can be measured by a statistical device known as index number. Index number is a technique of measuring changes in a variable or a group of variables with respect to time, geographical location, or other characteristics. Features of index numbers are special type of averages. Index numbers study the changes in the effects of such factors which cannot be measured directly. Index numbers measure changes in one variable or group of related variables. Index numbers are used to compare the levels of a phenomenon. Next is the types of index numbers. Wholesale price index numbers. These are constructed on the basis of the wholesale prices of certain important commodities. The commodities included in preparing these index numbers are mainly raw materials and semi-finished goods. Only most important and most price sensitive and semi-finished goods which are bought and sold in the wholesale market are selected and weights are assigned in accordance with their relative importance. Retail price index numbers. These are prepared on the basis of the retail prices of final consumption goods. These are for measuring the changes in the value of money. Cost of living index numbers. These index numbers are constructed with reference to the important goods and services which are consumed by common people. Since the number of these goods and services is very large, only representative items which form the consumption pattern of the people are included. These index numbers are used to measure changes in the cost of living of the general public. Working class cost of living index numbers. These index numbers aim at measuring changes in the cost of living of workers. These are constructed on the basis of only those goods and services which are generally consumed by the working class. Wage index number. The purpose of these index numbers is to measure time to time changes in money wages. These index numbers, when compared with the working class cost of living index numbers, provide information regarding the changes in the real wages of the workers. Industrial index number. Industrial index numbers are constructed with an objective of measuring changes in the industrial production. The production data of various industries are included in preparing these index numbers. Next, we have to see the uses of index numbers. Index numbers are used to measure all types of quantitative changes in different fields. General importance. In general, index numbers are useful in a number of ways. that is, to measure changes in value. It is useful in making comparisons. It is useful in simplifying complex facts. It is helpful in forecasting. It is useful in academic and practical research. Secondly, measurement of value of money. Index numbers are used to measure changes in the value of money or the price level from time to time. The price index numbers forewarn about the future inflationary tendencies and in this way enable the government to take appropriate anti-inflationary measures. Changes in cost of living. Index numbers highlight changes in the cost of living in the country. They indicate whether the cost of living of the people is rising or falling. On the basis of this information, the wages of the workers can be adjusted accordingly to save the wage earners from the hardships of inflation. Changes in production. Index numbers are also useful in providing information regarding production trends in different sectors of the economy. Importance in trade. With the help of index numbers, knowledge about the trade conditions and trade trends can be obtained. Formation of economic policy. Index numbers prove very useful to the government in formulating as well as evaluating economic policies. Useful in all fields. Index numbers are useful in almost all fields. Some of the specific uses of index numbers in the economic fields are: they are useful in analyzing market for specific commodities. In the share market, the index numbers can provide data about the trends in the share prices. With the help of index numbers, the railways can get information about the changes in goods traffic. The bankers can get information about the changes in the deposits by means of index numbers. Thank you.